What is the connection between India becoming one of the major markets for smartphone shipments recently and its chip manufacturing industry growing strongly?
That is a direct connection. Reason, if you see, like in last 7 years, the major internet users are from mobile devices, and that is increasing every second we talk, right? So whether you see developed countries or the untouched regions, the internet users are increasing every day. Of course, it's directly increasing the demand of microchip. That is the first thing. Second thing, the automation involvement in all the aspect from smart home to industries and commerce and everywhere, transportation or logistic. So the increase of automation also increased the demand for microchip. So I believe that it is directly connected to what you ask, and I believe there is room for everyone for such kind of demand. I don't think there is one boundary for any country or any company.
What do you think of the rumor that Apple is producing the iPhone 14 in India to close the gap between China and India?
I actually heard about rumors, but I believe that not only iPhone, there are a lot other smartphones also been manufactured in India. But if you look at the demand, Foxconn's major manufacturing still in other countries compared to India. Some part definitely going to be manufactured in India, and maybe not the PCB, maybe not the critical devices, but the other assembly parts, and maybe main assembly can be in India. But of course, unless we have our eco chain of fab, it is very critical to make all the components for iPhone in same country. So, that is first thing. Second thing is like look, if you look at the demand, India is one of the biggest buyer of iPhone. That makes difference. Like Tesla is producing cars in China because they don't want to import cars from other countries. That makes a huge difference. So even if that is having a really good facility for iPhone 14, then it will cater only Indian demands for now. That is my calculation. I may be wrong. Nobody can give any exact figures at this moment. Nobody can. But if you look at the demand, the facilities will cater only Indian demands for now.